Yeah. Right, students, okay, the first part of matrices is over. Second part, I want to continue. 10 bits over. The last only one step is there. I want to tell that one. In the 10th bit, you see what we obtained. A power 5 is equal to 240, 243. Okay, 243. I mean it is 3i whole power 5. That is 3 power 5, I power 5. It is 243, I power anything is I only. But not 243 I. Again we change it into A. That means 81 into 3i. 81 3 is 243. So 81 into 3i is we solved A is equal to 3i like this. Okay, na? So it is 81 A. That is option 2. Okay, na? This is a somewhat technical problem is there here. That is why I am telling. At my home it is not that. It is very easy. Okay, na? Okay, na? In that last problem, 10th problem, it is up to the 10th problem. It is the 10th problem. Now it is completed. Now we will come to the 11th one. 11th one is capital A is given 1A01. That is 2 by 2 matrix. Then what about A power n? I solved already. I can explain. A is equal to 1A01. That is 2 by 2 matrix. We have to find A power n. 20 method. N is equal to 2 na. Better to take n is equal to 2 always. If you take n is equal to 1 or n is equal to 0, two options will come. Not possible to filter it. If n is equal to no, there is no any confusion. Directly we will get the, pick up the option correctly. A square is equal to A into A, that is 1A01, 1A01. Like that, if you solve it, A square is equal to 1 2A01. A is A power 1 is 1A01, 1A is there, A square is 2A is there, A cube is 3A, but it is common, 0, 1, 1, it is common. A power 10 is 1, 0, 0, but 10A will come. So, A power n is NA will come. Okay, now that is the first option. Is it clear? By solving, we can understand it then. Yes, A square is that one. You substitute n is equal to in this one, we can understand. Right, 12th one. We are given capital A, X and B. Capital A is a matrix 2 by 2 matrix. Capital X is a column matrix. B is also column matrix. And also we are given AX is equal to B. Through that one you see multiplying on both sides A inverse. A inverse into A into X. A inverse into B. A inverse into A is nothing but definitions are there. It is I only. I into X is X. A inverse in the 2 by 2 matrix, A inverse, finding A inverse is very simple. 1 by AD minus BC. If it is AB, CD, directly formula is given. And into, this is adjoint A, this is 1 by det A. Det A value, AD minus BC is det A, 1 by det A into adjoint A. In 2 by 2 matrix, just you replace AD and it is minus B minus C will come. Okay, now you substitute what is A, what is B, what is C and what is D. You simplify, you will get 24 minus 44. It is, you see, after multiplication, it is direct 24 minus 44 is minus 20. Minus 32 plus 22 minus 10. You divide with minus 2. Minus 20 by minus 10 is 2. Minus 10 by minus 10 is 1. So A is equal to here, A1, A is equal to 2. So that is option 3. Okay, now next 13th. We will come to the 13th problem. 11, 12, 13. That is the 10th problem is over. 13th problem. We are again A plus B. The sum of two matrices is again a matrix 1, 0, 1, 1. A minus 2B is again a matrix. Okay, minus 1, 1, 0, minus 1. We have to find in this equation A values. So there is two equations. I want to cancel. So here in order to get A, we have to cancel B. Here minus 2B is there. So I want to multiply with 2. 2A plus 2B. That is written here. 2A, 2A plus 2B is. Here also 2. With 2 we have to multiply this matrix. 2 into 1 is 2, 0, 2, 2 will come. Okay, Nana? The second equation unaltered, same as it is. 2b, 2b cancels when we add the two equations. 2a plus a is 3a. Okay, na? If you add it that, okay, na? 2 minus 1 will come 1. 0, 1. Not minus. We have to add. Otherwise, it will not be cancelled. Okay, na? We will get 1, 1, 2, 2. So, here is 3a. So, we need a only. We are asked a only. So, a is equal to, by sending 3, 1 by 3, 1, 1, 2, 1. That is option 1. It is simple arithmetic. 14th problem. 14th is somewhat logic. It's very good logic. Observe. We are given AB. A is a row matrix. 1 into 1 row, 3 columns. Okay, na? AB is also a row matrix. 1 row, 2 columns. That is defined well. Then what is the order of B is asked? Not B matrix, order of B is asked. Here options of B. A is given, AB is given. AB is equal to this one 3, 4. That means 1 into 2 matrix. I am taking here as it is there. How can you get AB? A, this one, 1 into 3 na? And we don't know B value. What is B? Is equal to a matrix here, 3, 4. That is 1 into 2. Same. This here RHS, this LHS. You see, whenever you multiply two matrices, the order, the number of columns of first matrix must be equal to the number of rows of second matrix. It must be equal. Otherwise, we cannot make the matrix product. So, here is 1 by 3, we know it. But here we don't know. That is the problem. That is the question. But it is defined well. So, it must be 3 because number of columns must be number of equal to must be equal to number of rows. So, here 3 is there. So, here also 3. And we don't know this n. Leave it out. And the resultant matrix, the product matrix is after cancelling this number of rows, number of columns which are equal, that can be cancelled and 1 by n will come. Here it is 1 by 2. Same it is equal. So, n is equal to 2. Okay, na? So, what is B order is 3 by n. So, 3 by 2. 3 as it is 3, n is equal to 2. Okay, na? 3 by 2 is the order. Okay, then is it clear? Please observe me. Right. Fifteenth problem. We are given a 2 by 2 minus cos theta sin theta minus sin theta cos theta and a power n is asked. It is also a fantastic problem. It is given in the miscellaneous. Capital A is equal to cos theta sin theta minus sin theta, it is cos theta. It is a value. And we are asked to find a power n. A power n is asked. Okay, na 20. N is equal to 2. Better to take 2 always. N is equal to 2 means it is a square. This one. That is a into a. That is cos sine minus sine cos into cos sine minus sine cos. C is into c square plus minus s square. This is cs plus CS. It is minus CS minus CS. It is minus S square plus C square. C square means cos square theta. It is actually cos square theta minus sin square theta. Formula is there. Cos 2 theta. No. Cos square A minus sin square A. Cos 2A. Here it is 2 SC na 2 CS. 2 CS means 2 cos theta sin theta or 2 sin theta cos theta. It is also sin 2 theta. It is minus 2 CS minus sin 2 theta. It is also cos square theta minus sin square theta. Cos 2 theta. So A square is equal to, we will get A 2 theta 2 theta. A square index is 2. So 2 theta 2 theta 2 theta theta. A power 1 is only 1 theta 1 theta. So A power n is equal to cos n theta sin n theta minus sin n theta cos n theta. Okay na? That is the answer. Very good answer. Yeah. Next, 16th one. Alpha minus beta is given. Alpha minus beta. Alpha minus beta is equal to 2n plus 1 pi by 2 is given. Then we are given cos square alpha, cos alpha, sin alpha, cos alpha, sin alpha, sin square alpha into it is cos square beta, same, cos beta, sin beta, cos beta, sin beta and sin square beta values are asked. Okay now, you see, here similar, here observe me. Here alpha minus beta value is given. In a Tondi method, you see, n is equal to 0. Then alpha minus beta is equal to how much? 0 means 2 into 0, 0 plus 1, 1. Pi by 2 will come. Okay na? Pi by 2 will come. Alpha minus beta is equal to pi by 2. So what is alpha? Pi by 2 plus alpha is equal to, it is pi by 2 plus beta. You substitute here. Cos square, directly I am taking. Cos square alpha means cos square 90 plus beta. Cos 90 plus beta minus sin beta. That is a sin square beta will come. Minus square is a plus. Here also, cos 90 plus beta minus cos alpha sin alpha. Cos alpha means it is simply a minus will come. It is a sin beta, cos beta will come. Minus sin beta, cos beta. It is sin square beta 1. I mean cos square beta. Okay na? Because for sin 90 plus beta is cos beta. But cos of 90 plus beta is minus sin beta. So we get minus. Here also it is cos square beta, cos beta, sin beta, cos beta, sin beta. It is as it is, nothing. So if you multiply, we will get certainly it is 0. Okay na? Null matrix will come. Okay na? It is very simple. You do it well. Again, 17th one. 17th is capital A is equal to 1, 3, 3, 4, 1, 3, 3, 4. And we are asked to find A square minus KA minus 5I is equal to 0. Na? Then what about K value? It is a 2 by 2 matrix. Observe, please. A fantastic formula is there that is not in our regular syllabus. Here you see, if A is equal to 2 by 2 matrix, then A square. 2 by 2 matrix order is 2 na? Matrix is a square matrix. So, n by n, that is n, a power n will come. plus alpha A plus beta I is always 0, where alpha is equal to det A, beta is equal to, it is a trace of A. What is trace means? You see, trace means the sum of elements in the diagonal. 1 plus 4 is equal to 5. And what is det A? Determinant of A is 1, 3, 3, 4. That is equal to 4 minus 9 is minus. So alpha is equal to minus. So its value is A square minus 5 A plus 5 I is equal to 0. Okay, Nana? Like that only. Okay, na? The trace. Here it is minus beta. Okay, that is the formula. So it is as it is, you see. Okay, na? Minus. Therefore, K, what is K value? 5. Okay, like this. Don't confuse. A square only for a square matrix I am telling. Only square matrix. A square plus alpha A minus beta A. Plus, minus, like that is going on. Alpha means determinant. Beta means trace. Trace means sum of elements of the diagonal. Or otherwise, you do like that. You find A square value, 5A value. What is Ka? Like that also you may solve it. You see, Nana, it is A square minus 5I na, is equal to Ka. What is A square? You find out. What is 5I means? Okay, na? Is equal to K into this one will come. By comparing, first of all you have to find A square value. Then we can also get the same value. That is the method. Next, 18th. A comma B are two matrices such that both AB and A plus B are defined. Both AB and A plus B are defined. Then only options. The question is not there. The question and the answer are both are in the options only. A comma B, just I want to sit for 1 minute and please. 18th, you see there. A comma B are two matrices such that AB and A plus B are defined well. AB, that product is defined means A is the first matrix, B is the second matrix. The number of columns of first matrix A must be equal to the number of rows of the second matrix. You mind it, you remember it. A plus B, that means addition of matrix is defined well. Means the order of A and B both are must be same. Otherwise, we cannot add the two matrices. So here A plus B is defined means A and B are having the same order. You see in the third option you observe A and B are square matrices of same order. The same order is in the second and the third. Okay. But in the second AB are matrices only. Here AB also it is defined well. It's a very nice logic is there. You see, AB is defined means A matrix. This is B matrix. It is some M by P. Here also P by N. Okay, na? This must be same. Otherwise, it not be defined. A plus B means here A, B must be equal. That means not elements, orders must be. Suppose this is M by some P na, it is also M by P. Okay na? If it is like that, only we can solve it. Okay na? So by using these two concepts, or otherwise L by M by P. A is M by P, P by N. So here you see that P, M is must be equal. Here L is same order. Suppose it is 2 by 3, also it is 2 by 3. Suppose it is 5 by 6, it must be 5 by 6. Okay, now? But here these are the same, must be same. So P is equal to M is equal to N. That means A and B are same order and square matrix. Square matrix means there must be the same. Okay, now 5 by 5, 6 by 6, 2 by 2, 3 by 3, like that. So the third option is perfect. It must be a square matrix and same order. But in the second option, only A, B are same, having same order. Okay. So third is correct. Here is a third is correct for the 18th question. 18th question is third is correct. Next, 19th. Capital A is equal to, just wait, capital A is equal to 2 by 2 matrix I 0 0 I. You see, then A power 99 is asked. A power 99 is asked. Still, it is 19th problem. A is equal to I 0 0 I is asked. Okay, na? A power 99 is asked. It's a very good concept. I means imaginary number. I means root minus 1. I square is minus 1. So first we do A square. A into A. That is I into 0, 0 into I. I into 0, 0 into I. How much time? Srinivas, how much time? Okay. So it is I square. Again it is 0. It is 0. I into I square 0 plus 0 is okay. It is 0 plus 0. Here also 0 plus 0. 0 plus I square will come. So it is minus 1, 0, 0. Minus 1, minus I will come. Okay, right. Or otherwise we do like this also. A is equal to I 0 0 I na. You take I as common. So 1 0 0 1. So it is I into I. Small I is imaginary number. Capital I is notation for the matrix. So capital A is equal to I. A square is equal to I square into I. That is how much I square means? Minus 1 into I means it is minus S. That is what we solve. Then A cube means A square into A cube. A square means already we know minus I into A. That is minus A. Here you have to observe. A cube means minus A. A cube whole cube means A cube whole power 33. We are asked 99. Minus it is minus. It will come minus. Okay, na? Minus A whole power 33. A cube will be reduced as minus A. Cube is there, 33 is there, like that. Minus 1 whole cube minus A. It is A cube whole power 10. Minus A cube is again minus A power 10. So it is again. Minus it is how much? Okay, na? It is A power minus power 10 is plus. Okay, na? But minus is there. Minus A power 10 will come. Minus A cube whole cube into A. It is minus of minus 1 whole cube. Okay, na, into A. So at last we get a minus. You know, that is the first option. Okay, na, like that. Twentieth problem. Capital A is equal to a 3 by 2 matrix. Capital A order is given 3 by 2 matrix such that A ij is equal to I plus j by 2 is given. Then what is capital A is given? What is capital A? Okay, na? Just for some time. Twentieth question, please observe me, Nana. 20th question is A is equal to, it is a 3 by 2 matrix where A ij is equal to I plus j by 2. A fantastic concept. It is given in our concept, and in the first exercise this type of problems are there. You see, A is equal to 3 by 2 matrix means A11, A12, okay na? First column 3 rows, 2 columns, A21, A22, A31, A32. Yes, correct? 3 rows but 2 columns. Here is seen in A11 means 1 plus 1 by 2. I is 1, j is 1 by 2. That is 1. A12 means 1 plus 2 by 2. That is 3 by 2. A21 is 2 plus 1 by 2 is 3 by 2. A22 is 2 plus 2 by 2 is 2. A31 is 3 plus 1 by 2 is 2. A32 is 3 plus 2 by 2 is 5 by 2. Okay, na? So here it is 1, 3 by 2. 3 by 2, 2, and 2, 5 by 2 is correct one. You see in the options, which one is correct? I think the second option is correct one. Okay, na? You see there, the resultant matrix is 3 by 2, 3 rows, 2 columns. 3 rows are there, 2 columns are there. First option is 2 rows, 3 columns, wrong. Third option is 2 rows, 3 columns, wrong. Okay, Nana? So second option is correct, and elements are also correct one. Okay, na? Like that we have to solve the problems. 21. 21 also the same method, you solve it. 21 and 22 also, Nana. Okay, na? Like that one. Or otherwise I will solve it. 21 is capital A is given is 2, 5 AB. We are asked A square minus 5A plus I is equal to 0 na. 0 means null matrix. And we have to find this one. How can you find? Already I told one formula. A square plus alpha A plus beta I is equal to 0. Beta means trans of A. It is trans of A means it is minus 1. It is so beta is equal to trans of beta means it is 2 plus b. Okay, na? But here beta is equal to minus 1. If you compare this one, minus 1 is equal to 2b, b is equal to 3 will come. Okay, na? 2 minus 3 will come. You see there, you verify that one like that only. But we are asked A value. Of course, it is a knowledge purpose. What is A? alpha is equal to determinant of A. What is the determinant? It is minus 5. Minus 5 is equal to, it is 2b minus